A workshop manager is an operational manager of a workshop, such as a car workshop or other type of workshop. As a workshop manager, you generally also work in the workshop yourself and you are the manager of the other mechanics present in the workshop. One of the most important tasks of a workshop manager is to ensure that the business processes in the workshop run as efficiently as possible. In addition, a workshop manager is usually responsible for other matters, such as making the workshop planning, monitoring the delivered quality, and the general progress of the work. Other tasks may include supplementing the materials and parts and further developing the mechanics. Which tasks a chef workshop has exactly can differ per company. The work must be seen as management work, in which you will usually also cooperate. Another name for a workshop manager can therefore also be operational manager or garage manager. The position of workshop manager is mainly found within technical companies that have to deal with a larger workshop. As a chef workshop, you will therefore in most cases also work within the workshop, but you have more responsibilities than the other mechanics. Think of checking the work carried out and speaking to customers when they ask for information. Conducting performance interviews and consulting with the management will in most cases also be part of the tasks of the chief workshop. The position of workshop manager is usually only reserved for experienced professionals who have managerial abilities. Within a car workshop, for example, it may be a first car mechanic who also has predominance in combination with additional management courses.